as you can see right here, I have water bottle, 2 caps connected. So as you can see, it's not like doing anything, just bubbling. But if I do a swirl, you can see it forms a vortex. So I'm using 2 Coca-Cola soda bottles, and if you want, you can add some beads into it or glitter, like I did. Cool. Now I don't think I have this screwed on all the way, so I'm gonna. 1 second. Yeah, I have it. Yeah, if you give it a whirl. I got this bottle cap connector from Hobby Lobby. As you can see, I'm using, you can use 2-liter soda bottles, but I'm just using 2 Coca-Colas. And let me show you a cool trick that I can do with it. So look, when it gets to about here, you can give it another one and it'll be a bigger one. See that? Then it'll get all those beads down. Look, all those beads. And if you also, well, you can also add glitter like I did. Glitter works, but I use both. If you only want one, then that's totally perfect. So yeah, that's the ball cap connector vortex. Yeah. If you like it, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye.